All right, folks, gather round because we've got something truly exciting to unbox today. We're diving into the 2024 Bluey 10-coin tube and folder set, straight from the Royal Australian Mint. This set is all about celebrating Australia's favourite little blue healer, Bluey, who's brought joy to kids and families all over the country. Now here's the kicker, there's a 1 in 10 chance of finding a coloured coin in this tube. That's right, it's like a treasure hunt in every unboxing. Will we be lucky enough to uncover one of these coloured beauties today? Let's get into it. As we crack open the tube, the anticipation is real. Each coin in this set is crafted from Alba alloy, weighing in at a solid 9 grams with a 25mm diameter. These uncirculated coins capture the essence of Bluey's world in stunning detail, and they're built to last, just like the memories of watching Bluey with your loved ones. Bluey, the unstoppable blue healer, always takes the little moments of life and turns them into grand adventures with her family and friends. From playing make-believe games to discovering new things in the big wide world, these coins celebrate that endless curiosity and joy. This set is a great chance to own a piece of Bluey's magic. And since the mintage is unlimited, there's plenty to go around. But that coloured coin is where the excitement really kicks in. So, whether you're a die-hard Bluey fan, a coin collector, or looking for a special gift, this set is a must-have. Let us know in the comments if you've been lucky enough to score a coloured coin, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more exciting unboxings.